all the Hondas I've ever worked on, Civic, Accord, all of them, 2 screws. There's 1 screw here, 1 screw there. This holds this fender to the mount points here. There's clip, 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 clip. There is this cover actually removes. You actually just lift this thing up, take care of these plastic things. You have to remove these plastic rivets in. Just get a pry to them, pull them out. This whole thing comes up, and the plugs, there's different types of fasteners that go straight down, straight up. So once you pull up, it pops right out. So that part comes off. Of course, this one also has a little tube here, so you want to squeeze this tube off if you want to. But overall, once it comes off, this whole thing comes off. I already told you about the clips, and underneath, right, there's 2 bolts. There's 2 10mm bolts that are there. There's also that skid plate that you might want to remove too. Yeah, in fact, for this one, you have to remove the skid plate. There's all these plastic rivets to get a pry tool and rivet all these things out. Then once all things are gone or taken out, you could basically start from the edge here after you remove the fasteners here, and just slowly work one edge and pull those little clips out. If you have a pry tool, wrap the pry tool in a little bit of a cloth or a t-shirt and just help it along, because you don't want to rip these things. You want to slowly pull, 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 and nudge it out and slip it out of the clips. There's a lot of clips that follow through, and I'll put some videos on that one as well. But that whole thing, this is just a skin. The whole thing comes off. When you pull this out, right, there is the DRL light, and there's a little plug right here that you want to reach in and unplug, or else you pull that whole harness. So just after you open the skin up a little, unplug that plug so that you don't pull the wires, because the wires connect to your DRL lights. That's really about it. Again, you're gonna need ramps, so ramp it up, and then also you get 2 boxes, 2 cover boxes to put it in front of the cover of the bumper cover, so that you can lay it on top of it so it doesn't touch the ground. You know, and also the wire pull, it wouldn't be that much of a wire pull. So that's the base of it, and I'm gonna cut this with other video with it. But overall, there's a lot of fasteners go here, here, here. It comes straight up after you open up those other fasteners. And the clips are all around here. The 6 clips that are on the top. And that's really about it for this whole thing. Then the whole thing just comes out. You just slowly peel off the skin, and that's it. So I hope this helps. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more, because we'll go through a lot more stuff as this 2018 Clarity and my other Hondas get older. There's a lot of things to repair and fix or maintain, but overall these cars are awesome. They last forever, but they do need maintenance, and things like this where you have a broken light, this is perfect for it. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.